How to receive money on PayPal. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your PayPal app. And the first way is to know your PayPal email so that you can send it to the one who will send you money on PayPal. To do that, click on the person icon at the top right from your homepage. And from here, go to settings and go to tap on contact info. From here, you should then be able to see your email at the top and you can then send that to the one who will send you money on PayPal. Okay, the next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. An efficient way to receive money on PayPal is to simply click on the send or request button at the bottom middle. And from here, you can then tap on the search bar at the top. And this is where you can enter the name, username, or email of the one who will send you money on PayPal. For example, this person, and you will then be able to enter the amount as well as change the currency right here. And you can then tap on request at the bottom left so that that request will be sent to that PayPal user and they will be able to be notified and send you the money. And PayPal will also notify you once you have received that money from that sender. And that is how you can basically receive money on PayPal.